My name is Bret Lewless. I'm president and owner of Valley Roofing Company out of Bay City, Michigan. I'm the fourth generation. My son's starting the fifth in a couple of years here. We pretty much go within an hour or 2 hour radius of Bay City just for travel. Our company does mostly single-plies, TPO, like this particular project. Commercial, flat roofs. Started with the old coal tar pitch back in the days to all adhesives now with the urethanes and the ISOs. It just makes a lot easier, a lot safer jobs for the guys in the field. As far as growth plans, with my son taking over, he's going to have new ideas as far as where he wants to go with it. We've been in the Tri-City area, over 100 years, and I've been doing it for 50 years, so now it's his turn to take over. And we've been using IKO products for about a year. We did another water treatment plant through the city of Midland. It was a dome, and we fully adhered that application too. Why we like TPO membrane from IKO is the ease of heat welding the product together. The guys really like the feel of it, and it goes down pretty quick.